Dear students of all classes from 6th class to 10th class, welcome to our world through English. In this video, I will explain how to write a biography. So please watch the video till the ending. Write a biographical sketch of our great national personality, Mahatma Gandhi, by using the following information. Now look at the information. Full name Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Date of birth 2/10/1869. Place of birth Porbandar, Gujarat. Date of death 30/1/1948. Parents Putli Bhai Karamchand. Primary education average student, suburban school. High school education extraordinary student, Rajkot. Marriage 13 years, Kasturba 13 years. 1888 dropped education, joined law course. 1893 lawyer at South Africa, racial discrimination. 1894 established NIC, National Indian Congress. 1915 returned to India. 1918 Champran Kheja non-violent movement. 1947 Indian independence. Before writing a biography, you need to have some instructions in your mind. Look at them. Read twice or thrice carefully. Understand the concept well. Fill the gaps with your ideas. Write meaningfully and grammatically. Add extra information if you know. And finally, convert the given text into paragraphs. Based on these instructions, how to write a biography neatly. Now look at the answer, biography. We know that October 2nd is Gandhi Jayanti, which means his birthday. We do his birthday celebrations in every part of India, and we can find his statues in the centers of the streets of our entire country, and we can't be watching his smiling face, which is very familiar to all of us, as we can see on the Indian rupees. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, who is popularly known as Mahatma Gandhi, was born on 2nd October in 1869 at Porbandar village in Gujarat. His mother's name is Putli Bai and his father's name is Karamchand. Gandhi used to be an average student in his primary education, and he completed it in a suburban school. At the age of 12, he went to high school in Rajkot and he became an extraordinary student there. He got married to Kasturba at the age of 13 when she was 13 years old, and it was absolutely a child marriage. Even though he got married, he didn't stop his education and he studied well, and later he joined in Samal Das College in Bhavanagar in 1888 in Gujarat, but he dropped his education. In the same year, he got an opportunity to finish law course in London and he had finished it. In 1893, he got an opportunity to work as a lawyer in South Africa. There he had racial discrimination when he was thrown out of the first class apartment of the train. In South Africa for about 20 years, Gandhi protested against injustice and racial discrimination using the non-violent method of protest. In the part of this, on 22nd May 1894, Gandhi established the National Indian Congress (NIC) and worked hard to improve the rights of Indians in South Africa. In 1915, Gandhi returned to India permanently and joined the Indian National Congress with Gopalakrishna Gokhale as his mentor. Gandhi's first major achievement was in 1918 when he led the Champran and Kheda agitators of Bihar and Gujarat. He also led non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience movement, Swaraj and Quit India movement against the British government. Finally, after struggling and struggling, on 15th August 1947, we got independence from the British rulers because of none other than Mr. Mahatma Gandhi, who was the main leader to practice non-violence as only the way to get anything, and he proved and he influenced so many personalities like Nelson Mandela and Martin Luther King. The great man who is popularly known as Bapu and who became the father of nation passed away on 30th January in 1948. Even though he is not alive physically, his works and sacrifices for the nation are live and live forever and forever. I hope you have understood how to write a biography, and in the ending of the video I will give you one more question to write it down. So please watch the video and take the question and write down. So look at the practice question. Read or watch the short biography of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam from any source and note down the main points and write a biographical sketch of him.